the medicine of the NRM to peace is, number one, a strong army. Number two, a strong intelligence service, human and technical. In my executive order number 3 of 2023, and in an area directive of the 19th of May 2023, I had ordered the putting in place of police units of 18 persons per sub-county with some motorcycles to help them respond to calls of distress anywhere in the sub-county. I thought of the number of 18 because I wanted 12 to be regular armed police, and then the other 6 would provide the CIDs, etc. The 12 could be organized in squads of 4 each. One of these squads to be on standby, ready to move immediately to the area of need. Even in peacetime, there will be a group ready to move to answer a call of distress. If there is a terrorist threat in the area, we upgrade the situation by recruiting LDUs per parish.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.